To be using AI wrong in your job search, here's a checklist and we'll see. My name is Lauren and I've been in HR for almost 11 years, and I'm going to tell you from a recruiter and hiring manager perspective how you're using AI wrong, or you potentially could be. If you are using AI to write your resume and your cover letter for you, we can tell. We can tell that you pumped it into a machine, which then kicked back an answer and you just submitted the entire document. AI is still lacking in some concepts when it comes to an actual resume and an actual cover letter. We want to see a human touch in there because we want to know how you're going to be different than other people. If you are using AI to apply to jobs for you, like I've seen those websites where you go in, you give it your information, it's like, we do apply to 170 jobs this month for you. Again, first of all, we can tell. Second of all, most of the time it's submitting it and the format isn't correct. It's trying to upload it into boxes. It's not compatible with. So then we end up with answers in the wrong spot or incomplete applications. So we just skip them. Stop letting you using AI to craft your actual LinkedIn responses or your LinkedIn posts. If you are posting using AI and you're just copy pasting it over, pretty much everyone can tell that that was written by AI and it wasn't actually written by you. If you use AI to prep for an interview, which I do recommend, just not in this way, do not let it write responses to the interview questions for you. Most of the time they come out very vague, robotic, things like that. We want to know your answers to the interview questions, not what ChatGPT told you to say. Now, there is a little bit of hope at the end of the tunnel, okay? You can use AI for your job search. You can use it to fine-tune things in your resume and your cover letter. If you know what you want to say for a sentence or two, but you just don't know how to say it, you can ask AI, give it the idea, and tell it to fine-tune it. That way it's still your information. You're just making sure that the grammar and everything is fine. You can also use it to format and do the grammar and stuff for LinkedIn posts, for things like that. Just make sure that you're coming up with the bulk of the information yourself. You're just asking it to kind of reformat it so it looks better. You can ask it for hot topics or like things to post on LinkedIn. Like, hey, give me an idea of what people are talking about in the tech field right now. And it can give you a list and then write those articles yourself. We want to know what people are thinking, not robots. You can use it for the interview process as well. You can ask it to give you potential questions. Upload the job description and say, hey, what's 10 possible questions they might ask for this position? Also, make sure you're also studying and finding, different information other places. Don't just use that one thing. But it can be great for giving you potential questions. Then write down your answer in it and ask if the answer is missing anything. At the end of the day, AI can be a great tool to help you find a job, but it doesn't need to be finding the job for you. You still need to be involved in that process.